Hello guys, today I'm going to do the unboxing of this big guy, and this is the FabFitFun for fall 2021. So I'm super excited to unbox this with you guys and also reveal all the products. So let's see what are all the items that we got. But before we dive in, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up to see more videos like this. And for those who doesn't know, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box, and you would be getting 4 boxes in a year, and you would be paying $49.99, that is per box, if you are a seasonal subscriber. But if you are an annual subscriber, you would be paying around $179.99 annually, and each box you would get around the value of $200 plus, which is amazing. And this is like the most awaited box for me usually, because I really love FabFitFun, and the items, they have like a broad variety of items. And if you want to give it a try for the first time, then you could also use my coupon code. I'm going to leave that in the description below, so do check that out. Now for real, let's get to today's video. Let's see what are the items that I got. I haven't unboxed this one, so not even sneak peek. So this is me first time unboxing along with you guys, and I don't think I posted any video recently. It's just because like I'm under the weather, let's call it that way, and I wasn't feeling very well, so I just want to get some rest, and I just did like bare minimum such that I can survive for a day. But I was basically getting some rest, so that's the reason I haven't posted in a while. Okay, what is this? Da, 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 dun, 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 dun. I think this is the add-on that I got. Okay, pretend that you didn't see that, so I'm going to reveal that later. But I guess you already knew what that is. This is so heavy, you guys. So this is the FabFitFun fall 2021 box. So they have like that fall leaves going on, so cute. The first thing that I see is this magazine, and it has all the goodies, details, and all their items. First thing that I see is this box. This is the catch-all, and it's 3-tier catch-alls, so trays. So this is really cute. I thought this is going to be small and flimsy kind of, but no, it's very sturdy. It's kind of like that thick base, and it has got that weight. The next thing is bath gel. So this is one of it. I was like really confused. I think one of the choice items they combined, and this is one. And this is Kali Cosmetics Island of Italy bath gel. They were 3 in this one, and that is the tray and this bath gel and a lunch pack. I have seen it somewhere. Okay, there is this lunch pack. So altogether this retails for $67. This is the lunch pack. This looks like some vintage kind of letters that kings would send from one king to other king, these secret messages. This looks like that. Okay, so here is the lunch pack. Cute. This packet doesn't seem like it belongs in here, so this is the packet, and I don't know, this doesn't look like it belongs in here. It says 21 plus. I don't know if you can see that, but it says like 21 plus. What could this be? I don't know. That's weird. Oh my god, you guys. Really? I didn't expect this at all. You want to see what I got? Ta ta ta. Dun, 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 dun. I didn't expect that I would be getting this at all. So this is the Henkin. Oh, it's an alcohol-free premium quality. And for a second, I thought this is beer. For a sec, and this says it's alcohol-free, brewed and canned by Henkin. All right, that's a surprise. In fact, I didn't expect this at all. For a second, I was like, oh my god, did I even select this thing, or was it like one of those add ons? Next up, we have this, and this is the True Moringa Shea and Moringa Balm, and it's a moisturizing balm for hands and body. Hand and body lotion, I would really need so much bigger to this. This looks like a size of what is that, face moisturizer to me, but let's see, it says it's a hand and body, and the size of that is 1.4 ounce. Folks like me who doesn't understand or know like how big 1.4 ounce look, this just the size of my this palm, and very skinny, like 2 fingers. Okay, and this one retails for $24, and it's a blend of shea butter and moringa seed oil. Next up we have this, and this is the one that I selected because in one of the choice items for this I did not uh, feel like any of those items I would need, so this is the only one that I was left out with, so that's the reason I actually chose this. And this one retails for $24, and 2 pairs of mid-weight boot socks. Cool, I can make them work. And this one retails for $24, and there are 2 pair, one is black and the other one is gray. All right, and this is the one that I'm really excited about, and this one retails for $60, and it's a waist bag. Here is the bag. This looks like a chocolate but black in color. I just wish this is like more of a chocolate color. Okay, that's all the stuff that we usually get it for free when you buy a bag. Okay, so this is how it looks. Spacious enough, and it has got that gold hardware, and here is the strap, and this would go like around your waist like this. How cute is that? That's the reason I actually got this. This is like that cute bag. All right, loving this one. Let's see what we have next. I think I know what this is. You see that? A white Dutch oven. How cute is that? I think I just put it on my kitchen island or on the countertop just to display it, because how cute is that? Just for this cuteness factor, I want to display it and never cook in it. But I might actually use it for cooking as well, let's admit it. But this looks so cute and aesthetically pleasing. I love this one. The Dutch oven retails for $44, and it's a 2.5 quarts Dutch oven. Okay, next up I have something else. Okay, ready? Something fell down. I don't know what that is, but let's pretend that didn't happen. Cheese board, yay! But I think I'm going to use this as a cutting board because I don't use cheese boards for cheese. To be frank, I'm going to use this for a serving tray, something like that, serving tray or a cutting board. But this looks so nice that I don't want to ruin this by cutting on it. So I don't know. I think I'm going to use this as a serving plate. Feels like a, what is that? High-end kind of wood. Really nice, and it's not even that heavy weighted. It's kind of strong but not like heavy weight. you could still hold it really comfortably. So loving that one too. And this is the first one that I actually showed you guys by mistake, and this is my add-on, and this is a Phantom Chef 8-inch frying pan. I actually got this just because 8-inch pan, my husband actually burned it the other day while cooking. He was cooking, what was that? I think oats or something early morning, and he completely forgot about it. And almost after 30 minutes, the whole house was smelling so bad, like burnt. That's when I went down and saw like the complete pan was burnt. That's the reason I actually bought this. This is really cute, and the color of it actually matches with the Dutch oven, so that's the reason I got this one. Really nice. These, I just actually brought this back, or this was just for these, and this one as well. Ta-da! All three. I'm loving this box. In fact, I think this is the best box for this year. In fact, I mean, the Fabric one, like it went above and beyond, and they satisfied people like me by including all the kitchen items. I think kitchen items, even though I don't use much of the kitchen items, it's just that it makes me feel happy. I don't know what kind of happiness that is, but I really do get happy when I get like kitchen items that's aesthetically pleasing. If you love this video so far, then do consider subscribing and give this video a big thumbs up. Well, see you guys next time. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye, guys.